Physics of membrane. The physics of membrane involves understanding the properties and behavior of various types of membrane, particularly biological membrane like cell membrane, as well as synthetic membrane, and in engineering and filtration. First, cell membrane, non-cellular form of life. Non-cellular form of life do not exist on the earth, and virus and the bacteriophage cannot be regarded as independent self-sufficient living system. Of all the function of the living cells, they possess only ability to transmit the genetic program. Conversely, the basic Conversely, the basic characteristics of life are the inherent both in unicellular organisms and in the overwhelming majority of type of specialized cells of the multicellular organism. Second is the structure of membrane. A biological membrane is a dynamically arranged system. It is necessary to study both its structure and the dynamics of its behavior. Biological membranes consist mainly of lipid and protein. The cell of the mammals also contain a small amount of the carbohydrate associated with proteins, glycoproteins, or with lipids. The inner membrane largely contains phospholipid, and the plasma membrane contains also natural lipid. Example: in the membrane of erythrocyte, 30% of lipid is present in the form of cholesterol. Third, conformational properties of membrane. Let us consider the dynamic properties of membrane. A number of facts point to the high mobility of the lipid bilayer. The lipids in the membrane behave like a liquid crystal. It is precisely a liquid crystal that combines high ordering with the fluidity and lability. This combination make possible for membranes perform their important functions. And fourth is passive membrane transport. Active and the interaction energy of protomers, the response of the in the limit of the all or in the all or known transition or zero phase transition. The formal model describe the action of cholecystins and provide a qualitative explanations for a number of facts, in a particular for the fact that the various related drugs cause different maximum response of the membrane. The consideration of membrane transport should naturally be started with the thermodynamics without reference to the molecular structure of the membrane and transport mechanism. Fifth, active membrane transport. An increased concentration of the potassium ion and the decreased concentration of sodium ions inside the cells are determined by the active membrane transport, which the processed against the electrochemical potential gradients. Active transport is the one of the most important feature life process. It resolves the concentration between the preservations of the spatial heterogeneity and metabolism, the exchange of the matter and energy with the surrounding medium. Conclusion: the physics of membrane encompasses a range of disciplines including biophysics, materials science, and the engineering, making it vital area of research.